Hey guys, it is Raquel Amaris and I am here with another video. So today I did a Halloween inspired look. I didn't do like a witch, I didn't do like a vampire, I wasn't trying to be doing like a clown or nothing like that. I just wanted to do like a festive look, if you get my drift. I wasn't trying to do anything too out there, nothing costumey, just something festive for Halloween. Just a little tutorial for y'all, a little smoky eye for y'all, you know what I'm saying? Just something simple. So if you want to know how I achieved this look, keep watching. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I just want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you for just pushing through all my struggles through this video, because it was a while. It took a minute for me to get my life together. I am sorry. I'm so sorry, but it all came together perfectly. Thank you for watching this video. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Snapchat. I'll have all the information below, and everything that I used I'll put below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.